Did you know that in the US alone, over 40,000 people die each year in car accidents? While driver error is a huge factor, some cars are simply far less safe than others. Today, I'm going to share the top cars you definitely want to steer clear of, so you can stay safe on the road. When shopping for a car, most people look at price, style, or performance. But one factor that often gets overlooked is safety. Some cars, whether due to poor crash test results, flimsy construction, or a history of accidents, are statistically more dangerous than others. In this video, we're diving into the cars that have earned a reputation for being risky, and why you should think twice before driving one. Here's the challenge. Not all cars are created equal when it comes to keeping you alive in a crash. Vehicles with outdated safety tech, poor structural integrity, or high rollover rates put drivers at greater risk. And while they might look like a bargain on the used car lot, the hidden cost could be your safety, or even your life. Ford Fiesta, 2011 to 2019. The Fiesta may be fun and affordable, but crash test ratings from the IIHS and NHTSA showed concerning results, especially in side impact crashes. Small, lightweight cars simply don't hold up as well against bigger vehicles. Kia Rio, 2012 to 2017. This budget-friendly car often ranks among the least safe in its class. Poor structural ratings and frontal overlap crashes make it a risky option, especially on highways. Jeep Wrangler pre-2018 models. Yes, it's iconic, but the Wrangler's high center of gravity gives it one of the highest rollover rates of any SUV. Combine that with mediocre crash ratings, and it's a car that looks tough but can be dangerous in real accidents. Mitsubishi Mirage, 2014 to present. One of the cheapest new cars you can buy, but also one of the least safe. Weak crash protection and lack of advanced safety features make it a car you should avoid if safety is your priority. Chevrolet Aveo, 2004 to 2011. This small car was heavily criticized for poor safety ratings, minimal crash protection, and lack of standard safety equipment. It's no surprise it shows up on multiple worst car lists. Smart Fortwo, all years. Sure, it's tiny and easy to park, but that comes at a cost. In real-world crashes, its small size and limited crumple zones make it one of the riskiest cars to be in if an accident happens. At the top of the list, the Ford Pinto, 1970s models. While it's no longer in production, the Pinto is infamous for its deadly design flaw. The gas tank placement made it prone to exploding in rear-end collisions. This car became a symbol of how dangerous poor engineering can be. While you won't find one on the road today, it stands as a chilling reminder of why car safety must never be ignored. So, what's the takeaway? While every car comes with risks, some models stack the odds against you. The cars we just went through, whether due to poor crash ratings, rollover risks, or weak build quality, have consistently proven themselves more dangerous than their competitors. When buying a car, don't just look at horsepower or price. Always check crash test results, safety ratings, and reliability reports. Your life, and the lives of your passengers, are worth far more than saving a couple of $1,000s. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever owned or driven one of these cars? Did you feel safe behind the wheel, or did it confirm the reputation? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And while you're at it, tell me what other car-related topics you'd like to see covered here on the channel. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who might be shopping for their next car.